Well, the other day I ran across Bing Image Creator, uses AI to create images. And all you have to do is type in a few phrases. So all you have to do is click on join and you come to the screen here and you start typing. And you can type in anything you want and it'll give you an image based on your input. So let's take a look. I just said astronaut on the moon because I wanted to see it. And by the way, the process of creating it's a little slower. I've clipped some of that weight out. Now, the images it came up with are a little predictable because, after all, we've seen astronauts on the moon images. Perhaps there's a face in it, perhaps not. In this one, he's on the moon, but he's not in front of the Earth because I didn't specify on the Earth's moon. Now that I've been touching on how easy it is to create an image, let's go back and take a look at what it is. And Microsoft has a nice little FAQ section down here. It tells you exactly what it is. It uses a certain technology to generate the images. And to use it, you just use your Microsoft account or create a new one. And you can go in there and use their generator with no problem. No other sign up, no costs. There's also no waiting list to do it. You can just go in there and start using it. And right now it only deals with English language. But one thing to take note of is that who owns images? What can you use them? Microsoft doesn't own them, you own them, but you can't use them for anything except personal use. So jumping near the bottom, here's the ownership of content clause that says they're not going to pay you whatever. It's your stuff. You get to keep whatever you generate. However, here's the use of it where, no, you cannot use this anywhere except a personal and non-commercial use. So what can you use it for? Well, maybe you want to use it for a class that you're going to do a presentation. Or maybe you want to send one of these images off to a framing studio. They print it out, present it to you, and you hang it in your home. So now I'm just trying something crazy. I just started typing a firefly, and he's going to eat a fire truck. It just came up to my head. So let's see what happens when the AI gets a hold of that. It does not disappoint. So you can click on any one of these to get a bigger image, but let's take a look here. Let's try something different. I don't know how I can beat Firefly, but let's try. I'm going to have a wallet with the money flying out because I want to have a demonstration or a presentation about finance. So if I do that, what does the AI come up with? 4 wallets and with money flying out. So next I thought I'd try something different, trying to fool it. I decided I'm going to try an eagle flying on the moon. Eagle can't fly on the moon, right? So therefore it's an impossible task I've given it. And to my chagrin, I look up and after a few seconds, oh, it's an image of an eagle flying in front of the moon, but close enough. So one more try. I'm going to have things at different scale. A helicopter lifting an anthill. So surely it can't come up with something for that. And guess what? After a few seconds of searching, it decided that it could do that and came up with a helicopter lifting an anthill. Now, like I said earlier, you can click on them and get a detail. You can even save them, or they'll be in your history as well. But you can save them. You can download them to your hard drive and keep a copy for whatever reason. And here it is in my logged into Microsoft, so it has the one I saved there. Or like I said, I can just download it to my system, store it someplace, and then later on send it off to a frame maker or whatever I want to do with it. Put it in my presentation I'm building for a school or a company. So here we are back here again. And I decided I'm going to put in a description of a woman. It's suggested, as a matter of fact. But I'm going to do it with the style of Picasso. And sure enough, it thinks about it for a while. Again, it takes quite a while at first. And then it comes up with 4 different Picasso styles, supposedly. And quite frankly, pretty good ones. So there you have it, Bing AI images generated that you can use for your personal use. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.